The video, how to use the YouTube Video Manager, is in Playlist or Series, How to Create a YouTube Channel. The video shows how to use the Video Manager to edit videos and playlists on a YouTube channel. The series shows how to set up a YouTube channel, upload videos, organize the videos into playlists and sections, then add a channel banner and welcome video. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. Videos that are in playlists should be watched in the order given in the playlist on the channel page. There are several hundred computer help and hobby videos on my YouTube channel. Here's how to visit the channel. The best way is to Google search for TOMSTDA, but you must search with Google. Some of the searches will look for tostada. Or you can type the URL into your browser's address box. If you like my videos and would like to be notified when I make additions or corrections to them, you can subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button on the window, select email notifications. To open the Video Manager, log on to your channel, click Customize Channel, then click Video Manager near the top. When the Video Manager opens, it displays all the videos on the channel, newest first. You can change the order by clicking over at the right and selecting the most viewed first, or just the public videos, or just the unlisted, just the private videos. If you click the edit beside the video, you can basically change the same settings you could change while the video was uploading. You can change or enter a description for the video, which can include clickable links, and that description will be displayed in the search engine results and when the video is on the screen. You can change the title that YouTube displays for the video. You can add or change tags for the video. The search engines search the words in the title and in the description and in the tags. So if you want people to be able to find your video, you want to use all three of those things, and in particular look at what your video contains and come up with some tags that apply to what's in the video. You can change the privacy settings. I generally use either public or unlisted. Public, people can find your videos by searching, or if they visit your YouTube channel they can see them. Unlisted, people can only open your videos if they have the URL, which you would send them in an email, for instance. Also, unlisted videos will not appear when somebody visits your channel and views the videos on the channel. And they won't appear if they view playlists on the channel that contain those unlisted videos. This screen tells you how many playlists the video is currently in, and if you click this box, you can put that video in more playlists, or you could remove it from playlists. Once you make any changes on this page, you can click Save Changes. You can also click Save Changes at the top to do the same thing. Additional settings you can change with your Video Manager. This video is just showing the general user how to use the Video Manager. For more advanced uses of the manager, you can consult other videos on YouTube. Other things you can change here by clicking the arrow. There are enhancements you can put in. You can also delete the video by clicking here, or you can download the video. If you want to make changes to a video on YouTube and you have lost the original copy in your computer of that video, you can download another copy from YouTube and then edit that and then upload that again. One thing to point out though, when you download a video, if the name had any spaces in it, those spaces will show as %20. So you'll probably want to rename any downloaded videos to get rid of the %20 and change it to a single space so that it will look like the name originally looked before you uploaded it. I'm not really going to go into any of the other things here because the casual user probably wouldn't want to do that. I could point out that the enhancements will let you do some editing of a video. I prefer to do my editing in my computer using a CyberLink Power Director. It's a very powerful video editor. So if I want to edit a video, what I do is I edit the copy in my computer with the Power Director. I delete the copy that's on YouTube, and then I re-upload it. Of course, when you do that, you'll have to redefine all those settings, the description and the tags and stuff. Just some other information that's displayed on the page. It shows how many videos are on the channel. Right now I have 243. This is my real channel. This isn't a test channel that I set up for the video. It shows you the number of views for that video since it was posted. And you can change the order you're looking at it on your computer. That's not the order it'll be displayed when a viewer visits your channel page. But right now the newest one is first. You can also display it most viewed first. My most viewed video now is the Skyview Stargazing app for the iPad. I made a video user's guide for it. That one has had 3,513 views. And it looks like 28 people liked it and 3 people didn't. 7 people commented on it. So you can look at those kinds of statistics. You can get a lot more statistics for your videos if you click the analytics button here, but I'm not really going to go into that in this video. Just to point out what the actions button does, you can make individual changes to videos by selecting from this list here for that video, but you can make group changes if you click several videos and then you select action. You can now apply the actions here to all the videos you checked. For instance, you could delete a group of videos that way. You could change all their privacy settings to a selected value, things like that. You could have them all have a set of tags. If you clicked tags, you have the option to put new tags that you specify in this command at the end of the existing tags, or replace the existing tags, or just remove tags from all the videos that are checked. And you could add more actions to this list of things that you're going to perform on all these other videos. So you can select more than one action, and then you can click submit, and then all those actions would be applied to all the checked videos. The only reason I ever use that one is if I wanted to, for instance, have all the descriptions be the same in a group of videos, or if I wanted to delete a group of videos. So let's go look at what you can do changing playlists in the Video Manager. When you select playlists in the Video Manager, it displays a list of playlists. It tells you how many playlists you have, and there are some edit commands on the right end of the lines where the playlists are. If you click edit, you can edit that playlist. If you hover over a particular video in the playlist and click the far right end, you can add that video to another playlist. You can remove the video from the playlist it's in now. The playlist it's in now is called New Playlist. Or you can set the playlist thumbnail to the thumbnail for this video. So the thumbnail is now set to the first video in the playlist. Then I click Set as Playlist Thumbnail. It changes the playlist thumbnail to be the same as the thumbnail for this video. Do the same thing to set it back. Now what you can do to edit the playlist, remember all you can really do here is move the videos into other playlists or take them out of this playlist. But if you click edit opposite the owner's name for the playlist down here, now you can change the order of the videos in the playlist. And the way you do that is, for instance, this is the last one now. If I hover over this and go click more at the end, I can move that video to the top of the playlist. I could add notes to the video. Now also, and if I click at the top opposite the playlist, number one, I can click here and change the name of the playlist. I can add a description by clicking here, or I can click this symbol here opposite the playlist, and then I could delete the playlist or add everything in the playlist, add all the videos in the playlist to another playlist. It'll prompt you for the name of the other playlist. You also, from this page, you can play all the videos in the playlist in the order they're listed. And you can look at the playlist settings, and you can set the playlist privacy to the standard set of values, private, unlisted, or public. And I really recommend you use either public or unlisted. The public setting for privacy for a playlist means that YouTube searches for playlists will be able to find that playlist. If you set it to unlisted for the playlist, YouTube searches for the playlist will not be able to find it. This video has covered the most widely used features in the Video Manager. There are many other features, and they are covered by hundreds of videos on the internet. Once again, here's how to visit my channel and how to subscribe to my channel. You may need to pause this video to copy this information down.